Let's talk about the most incompetent secretary in Williams Ruto entire government, Kipchumba Murkomen. This is a man whose IQ seems to nosedive every time anafungua mdomo yake. Ni msemaji yako detached from logic, from humanity, from constitutional weight of his office, and it's honestly a national disgrace he's even holding such a powerful docket. Murkomen instruct the police to shoot on spot. No due process, no justice, no accountability. This isn't just incompetence, man. There is state-sponsored murder. This is fascism. Open broadcast by a man whose brain power hata iwezi light up a matchstick. And worst part, anasema kama anapiga chest. No remorse, no understanding of the law, no capacity to reflect. Wacha to compare his predecessors. Yes, walikuwa na their flaws, lakini at least wali understand national security, constitutional order na public responsibility. Angalia mtu kama Fred Matiang'i, yes, alikuwa firm, ama maybe alikuwa too firm, lakini he was organized. Na pia alikuwa anajua command of facts. Mnakumbuka Joseph Nkaiseri? Msee alikuwa military. Yes, alikuwa na discipline kitu moja na alikuwa na thought structure. Lakini angalia Murkomen, ana run interior docket kama WhatsApp group. Irony, kuna watu kama sisi, hatujaenda college, hatujaenda university, hata tujaika kwa National Security Council, hata tujai study anything counter terrorism, ama internal affairs, lakini tuko na basic knowledge, tuko na empathy na tuko na common sense. Mimi nakwambia naweza run hiyo docket better. Kwa sababu ya nini? I know you don't respond to unarmed protesters with live ammunition. Unaona, huwezi treat Kenyan citizens kama enemy. You don't govern with bloodshed. Murkomen is not a thinker. Utu ni a parrot in a suit. Communication yake ni so sloppy. Decision making sijui anafikiriaje manze. Hebu angalia public statements zake, uzafikiria zimeandikwa na internal kwa ametee hiyo. Juu azina PR filter. How does a man with so much power have so little thought process? I don't think umse ana understand national security strategy. Sidhani kama ni mtu mwenye ana comprehend public order law. He doesn't grasp human rights. Alikuwa lawyer. Umse si incompetent tu, umse ni dangerous. Uni threat to national stability. Unaona? Unajua interior government ni docket yenye ina demand vision, clarity, constitutional depth. Lakini umse ana operate like a frustrated nightclub bouncer in a suit.